Welcome back for my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard, Penny Market Analyst at Hantec on Friday, 22nd of May. Looking at cable now, which has, I think, rolled over once more. We've been talking about this in the last few sessions where sterling dollar has been sort of coming up against the overhead supply of these old April into May lows. 2265 was that reaction low in sort of early-ish May. Sort of hit 22.95, then rolled over. I redrew this uptrend slightly, this downtrend slightly to take account of the fact the market got to that level and rolled over. But certainly seems as though that the impetus of this recovery move has been lost. Slowing positive candles, little neutral candle on Wednesday, and then now yesterday's close lower, and again another move lower today. Momentum indicators rolling over as well. RSI sort of failing at 45, stochastics close to a negative cross again. MACD lines just barely even got going on the recovery. So it does suggest that I think that rallies are still a chance to sell on cable. We've still got this downtrend forming. We've tested 2160 again this morning. That was the reaction low from April. Tested it pretty much to the pip and just held slightly. But I would still hazard to say that I think this one's moving lower, and I think a closing breach of 2160 really would open that 2075 reaction low that we saw on Monday, and I think that will be tested in due course. And sort of looking on the hourly chart again, the overhead supply around 2245, which was this reaction low here, a main reaction low from late April. Again, that's starting to come back in as a basis of a pivot line. A bit of a breach here early part of this week, but again, back in at resistance at 22.45 and rolling over this morning. Momentum, look at that. The RSI failing under 60, going back towards 30. That would suggest negative bias. MACD failing underneath neutral, again, similarly suggesting a negative bias. So we continue to, I think, selling into strength on sterling dollar, and that's going to be testing at 2075 if we do see a closing breach of 2160. You'd really need to see 2295 now broken to really suggest that we're getting a higher low and a higher high recovery, but that's not our base scenario by any means. So I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos, go to our website to sign up for our webinars, and click to watch our Trader Talks videos where you can gain some top trading ideas.